For over a decade, Paul has been teaching people how to repair, build, and tackle projects themselves through his YouTube channel. Now, Paul has developed his newest product, a revolutionary drywall patch capable of holding over 185 pounds, with impact strength claimed to be 10 times stronger than any other drywall patch on the market today. He picked up the phone and called his buddy Jim over at Easy Pro Texture to tell him about the product. They decided it was time for the ultimate test. But if you know Paul, you know he never misses an opportunity to make an impact. Sometimes it goes exactly as planned, and sometimes, well, you're about to find out.
Ooh, Jim, you fixed this baby up nice, huh, man?
Yeah, thanks.
Where do I put this?
Right here, first room.
What is this, a bachelor pad?
What's that?
I guess we're doing that.
Dude, you've been here 30 seconds.
In all seriousness, guys, I brought this kid up to show Jim, and we talked about it. He's a pro. I want to see what you think about it. We're going to put this in the wall.
When you described it, it sounds amazing. Not only are you patching the hole, but reinforcing it too. So I want to see how that works.
Yeah.
That's good.
Slam a doorknob on it.
The Easy Pro Strong Patch is so simple to use, it can make anyone look like a pro. Installation is fast and easy, and it delivers the kind of strength you just don't get with ordinary drywall patches. In fact, it's the strongest patch available today.
Look how solid this puppy is.
That's amazing.
Well, the job is done, and it's time for Paul to head back home. Before dropping Paul off at the airport, Jim thought it would be funny to slip a box of powdered texture mix in his carry-on bag.
And it was great having him here, and I'm kind of glad he's gone. I've run out of materials to fix all the screw-ups.
It's either this one or that one, right? Looks like you got a bit of an alarm on the right side. So we're gonna need a sample of this.
Yeah.
All I really put? Okay. Well, Jimbo, I gotta go in the back and get patted down. It's your fault.
If you have a belt on, take off your belt. If you have anything in your pocket, take off your pockets.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna just read you your advisements real quick. So I'm gonna do a pat down of all your filled area, including your sensitive areas.
They're in the back room talking about a strip search. I'm out of here. Jim!
Get away! Get him!
What a day. I just want to get home. Can't believe they think this is drugs. Oh, shit. Oh, crap.
Turn the vehicle on.
Hands on the steering wheel, see where I can see him.
Jim.
No. Put that down. Step out. Come on, step out. Okay, take a seat, watch your head.
Meanwhile, Junebug's tuning her Mustang for an upcoming race.
George McMillan. Hello?
Junebug, Paul's in trouble. Can you help him? Can you get over here?
I'll be there in a minute.
George distracts the officer just long enough for Paul to escape.
How the heck am I gonna get out of these handcuffs?
Hold on!
This is a mistake.
Carrying hot dollars across state lines.
One more time. Get in the car.